Hi there, welcome to your guided exploration of stress with Fiamma's My Happy Mess. In this sound wave, you'll learn a simple exercise to manage stressful situations in a healthy and effective way. Discover your inner rhythm of life and learn to live in harmony with it. Keep a notebook handy to write down any thoughts and feelings that may come up in your exploration. Also, it's recommended to use headphones. Relax and take a moment to prepare, as we're about to begin. The pace of modern life moves at a demanding speed, which can often leave us feeling out of sync with our inner rhythm. Multitasking at work and juggling multiple responsibilities and duties at home may come as second nature to some, but for others, the challenges that modern lifestyles bring can more than often pile up and cause tension and pressure, not only in the mind, but also in the body. Stress has become part of our daily lives, imposing itself as a measure of endurance. Worrying about meeting deadlines or feeling embarrassed about not being able to deal with the demands that come with our responsibilities can lead to fear and uncertainty, and these feelings present themselves in both our professional and personal lives. Changing the way we approach stress can be a very helpful tool. Used effectively, we can be motivated to ride the wave rather than be overwhelmed and threatened by it and swept under by the power of its current. Allowing this current to offer us the positive push of empowerment can aid us in building a strong resilience to redirect the worry and fear into harmony with one's own sense of pace and rhythm with life's challenges. One effective way to focus the mind is to practice a positive affirmation. I am calm with every deep breath I take. I am calm with every deep breath I take. I am calm with every deep breath I take. For the next few moments, we'll be tuning into a sense of our own natural pace and inner rhythm, understanding that we are at our best when we take a moment to slow down and reflect on how best we can respond to challenging situations. Find yourself in a comfortable position, releasing any tension you may be holding in your face, in your jaw, back of the neck, shoulders, arms, hands, thighs, legs, feet, and toes. I'll give you the instructions first, and then we can do the exercise together. For this exercise, we'll be inhaling through the mouth, bringing cool air down into the lower belly, expanding your diaphragm outwardly, and then exhaling through the mouth on the sound zzz, focusing on the vibrations felt on the tip of your tongue. Let's listen to what this exercise will sound like. Now let's try the exercise together. We'll do a round of 5 breaths. Let's begin. Inhaling a cooling breath from the mouth. Exhaling on the sound Z. Inhaling a cooling breath from the mouth. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale a cooling breath from the mouth. And exhaling on the sound and for the last round, inhaling and exhaling. Managing stress and tension before it builds up and overwhelms can make a real difference to our quality of life and encourage a more positive impact on our overall health. Journaling, which is a process of reflective writing, can be an effective way of understanding your thoughts more clearly. Take a moment to jot down any reflections and thoughts that may arise when thinking about how you respond to stressful situations. There are different ways the body expresses stress. Can you recognize when you feel the onset of stress? How does that tension express itself physically? What would it mean to have a daily practice of stress management? Coming into a rhythm of how to deal with stress is something that can counter the feeling of chaos and open in to a wider sense of the situation. Changing the perspective from being lost in the overload of modern life to having more of a bird's eye view to oversee tasks and responsibilities. This enables us to respond to stress with more clarity and resilience. The next time you find yourself in a stressful situation, take a moment to observe your breath, relax any tension in the muscles in your body, and remember that you're in control of how you respond to stressful situations. Being aware of that crucial moment when worry and fear are about to take over can make the difference from breaking point to breakthrough. Remembering our positive thought, I am calm with every deep breath I take. I am calm with every deep breath I take. I am calm with every deep breath I take. Please continue your practice with us at Fiamma's My Happy Mess. Thank you for joining me. Take care for now. Goodbye.